Welcome back to Closing Bell on the 5th of January 2020. It's a Tuesday and it's official back to work, even though we're still at home day for a lot of people in Europe, in UK. So what's happened on the market? The volatility index is still at 25, but the market seems to be recovering. Lots of great stocks going up. Lemonade going up about 7-8-9%, Fiverr going up about 7-8-9%. Lots of stock were in the figures of between 3 to 7%. But then be warned, the VIX is at 25. It's not going fully compressed all the way to 22 yet, so just be careful, be wary that it could still spike back up. So what I want to bring up is the first two stocks that I want to speak up is Upwork and Fiverr. I know I spoke about the freelance economy about a week ago, but Upwork and Fiverr is still what I want to speak about with new news. Why? Because I am the only reliable place to give you news about Fiverr and Upwork. So why? Goldman Sachs are having a conference, Goldman Sachs 2021, obviously they're the sponsor, virtual technology and internet conference at the early start of the year. So it's one of those conferences, normally they're held in big open halls, hiring CEOs, inviting all the big talkers like Nvidia, AMD to showcase their product, to showcase what they're expecting for 2021. But now this year we're going to do it virtually. Everyone's doing a web conference, even though you still have to pay $350. I'm not paying for it, I'm just going to watch Business Wire with the news when it comes up. So this is where they showcase, and what I'm excited about is because Fiverr's CEO and CFO Mika Kaufman and Okta Cards are coming out to speak in the conference. They're going to speak about Fiverr, but most importantly, they'll be speaking about data, the freelance economy data. We're all still working from home. I want to hear what skills are being in demand. I want to hear what region areas are supplying more freelancers and what companies are asking for more demands in skills there's a shortage of. Buy trigger at Fiverr, when I spoke about a week ago, was 196. 178 and 164. That's level 1, 2 and 3. Upwork is 35 and 32, level 1 and 2. So I hope you guys listened to me and bought some when they were dipping, because they dipped last week or yesterday, the day before. So I personally bought more of these stocks myself, and I still hold Fiverr and Upwork. There were loads of comments in my last video saying, Alex, have you sold Fiverr and moved over to Upwork? No. I bought both. I own Fiverr and Upwork. Like I said, there's always room for two freelance economy. Even if a third one comes, I think still enough room for those. So I own Fiverr. So Fiverr stocks I got about 113, and Upwork stocks I've got exactly 300. I might buy more tomorrow Upwork stocks before it starts flying over. And back to four other stocks I'm watching, four internet stocks I'm watching because of the Goldman Sachs 2021 virtual internet conference is Snowflake. Snowflake sitting at 283. Man, it's really affordable. As I retrace my Fibonacci retracement tool, look at that chart. I bought them at 280, now it's moving at 283. I still think there's room because the peak demand is there. Even though it used to peak at 400, I think 400 should be the price after the next 4 or 5 more quarters in the next 12 to 15 months. I think that's what they should be pricing if they beat the earnings again and again. So they'll be there at the conference. And the buy trigger, you guys like your buy trigger. I know, you might be asking me, you always ask me after the video, what's the buy trigger? I'll give it to you, So the buy trigger for Snowflake now 280 is a good buy. If it does dip lower for maybe more bizarre reasons, it should go to 250. But if not, it should be on the reversal all the way up back to 300, slow and easy, and also depending on this conference, what they'll be showcasing as well. The second stock that I want to speak about, the second internet stock that I think it's a good buying point just now is Okta. Okay, Okta at 250 just now, it's a good buy. Look at CrowdStrike, it's flying. CrowdStrike is flying. Okta is in the same bag. Okta, if they do drop, they drop 226, which is quite deep. And there's no reason for it because Okta back in December, early December, they said that they are looking for skill. They are looking for skilled individual to join their company. They're finding it difficult. They're going to the likes of Upwork and headhunters and special talent agency, trying to hunt for people working from home, hiring them working from remotely, trying to boost and grow the company. And next, also PSTG is another one that I'm looking forward to. It's one of my top 5 growth stock, which I've released a video about yesterday or the day before. So PSTG, I'm watching. They'll be at the conference as well. I want to see the scaling business on how they're helping other clients scale the business. I want to hear which other clients are involved as well. That's what I'm excited about. And the fourth one, the last one, is Unity. Unity is another cloud company, cloud virtualization based, 3D virtualization based company. It's at the moment about 140 I think, but I think it should climb back down a bit low because Unity's price have gone a bit too high. So my buy trigger point that I will only buy Unity at about 133, and once it hits 133 it should rebound back on a 155. That's how I see on the charts just now. Still overpriced, but then again we're paying for the future price of the company for Unity. Great buying if it drops to 133. But again, I just want to give an announcement about buy trigger. I'm sure you guys who sign up to me, who subscribe to me, likes my buy trigger, and I've made up my mind, and I will be announcing special announcement to go eventually. I'm moving over to Discord to discuss, to have a bit more smaller group, because I think I formed a great community here. So I'm going to go on Discord. It's still in progress. I'm working with a couple of my patrons on trial basis, hopefully in the next couple of weeks before I launch it out. But to join my Discord channel, you have to be part of my Patreon, and then you join into membership group, and there where we are. So I'm still trying to figure things out, but that's where you are. So if you're interested to join the trial basis, please leave comment below and tell me if you're interested, or if you've got experience with Patreon, how to run an administrator, please do ping me a message, because I think that's the experience that I need just now for administrator, all that. So do leave me a comment. But if you guys are up for Patreon, please leave me a comment, hashtag Patreon, to say you're interested as well, so I know who'll be interested in numbers, you know, how many groups I need to create and how many chats I need to create. So this is me. And for closing bell, exciting Tuesday, things are going up. But again, be careful, the VIX is only at 25. The war is not over yet, the volatility is not over yet. It is still turbulent times, but you know, beware, be careful, manage your risk. Have a great day, see you tomorrow, bye bye.